Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's literally at the heart of our well-being. How to support your heart naturally through the foods you eat. It's amazing how simple dietary changes can make a huge difference. If you've ever wondered what you can add to your plate to give your heart a little extra love, you're in the right place. So, grab a notepad or just get ready to save this video, because we're about to unpack some powerful, heart-friendly foods that are easy to find and delicious to eat. Let's start with the kitchen staple that's as potent as it is pungent: garlic. This little powerhouse isn't just for warding off vampires. It's fantastic for your circulation. Including garlic in your daily meals can help keep your blood flowing smoothly. You can chop it up and toss it into stir-fries, roast whole cloves with your vegetables, or even add a bit to your salad dressings. A compound in garlic called allicin is what gives it these amazing properties. And it's most effective when the garlic is crushed or chopped and left to sit for a few minutes before cooking. It's a simple, flavorful way to boost your cardiovascular health every single day. Next up, let us talk about a beautiful fruit that is as good for your heart as it is for your eyes: the pomegranate. These ruby red seeds are packed with powerful antioxidants, even more than red wine or green tea. These antioxidants help protect your heart and arteries. Studies have shown that regularly consuming pomegranate, whether as the whole fruit or as juice, can help reduce stress on your heart and improve blood flow. Think about adding some pomegranate seeds to your yogurt, salads, or even just enjoying them as a snack. They add a sweet, tart burst of flavor and a whole lot of heart-healthy benefits. Now for a breakfast of champions that your heart will thank you for: oats. Starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal is one of the kindest things you can do for your cardiovascular system. Oats are rich in a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber is a superstar when it comes to lowering LDL, which you might know as the bad cholesterol. It works by forming a gel-like substance in your gut that binds to cholesterol and prevents it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Whether you prefer steel-cut, rolled, or instant oats, making them a regular part of your morning routine is a simple, comforting, and effective strategy for managing your cholesterol levels and supporting long-term heart health. Let's move on to a snack that's crunchy, satisfying, and incredibly beneficial for your arteries: walnuts. While many nuts are good for you, walnuts are particularly special because they are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known to help reduce inflammation and improve the flexibility and function of your arteries. Just a small handful of walnuts a day can make a real difference. They're perfect for a midday snack, or you can sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal or salad for an extra crunch and a powerful nutritional boost. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for some walnuts and know you're doing something great for your heart. Of course, no list of healthy foods would be complete without mentioning leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, you name it, your heart loves it. These vegetables are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But one of their key heart-healthy components is dietary nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This improved vasodilation means better blood flow and can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. So, make it a goal to get a serving of leafy greens in every day, whether it's in a salad, a smoothie, or sautéed as a side dish. Finally, let's talk about a vibrant vegetable that can give your heart some serious endurance: beets. You've probably seen beet juice becoming popular among athletes, and there's a good reason for it. Just like leafy greens, beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which, as we know, help improve blood flow and can lower blood pressure. This effect can enhance your heart's efficiency and endurance, making it easier for it to pump blood throughout your body. You can enjoy beets roasted, steamed, or pickled. But drinking beet juice is one of the most direct ways to get a concentrated dose of its benefits. A little bit goes a long way in supporting your heart's stamina. So, there you have it: 6 incredible foods that can help you support your heart naturally. Remember, your heart feels what you eat. And incorporating these simple foods into your diet is a delicious and proactive way to take care of it. It's not about a restrictive diet. It's about adding more of the good stuff. Start small, maybe by adding garlic to your dinner tonight or having a handful of walnuts tomorrow. Every little bit counts. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple food tips to help you live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.